Hey guys, it's Bridget Moore with the Bridget Moore Group here at our newest listing located at 11510 Counselor Street. You've got a 1-story, 4-bedroom, 2 full baths with over 1,800 square feet situated on over a 7,200 square foot lot zoned to Cy-Fair ISD. This isn't your typical home. You've got so many updates here, from recent paint, HVAC, even your roof. Your entire kitchen is completely updated with quartz countertop, an island, soft closing drawers, huge sink. You've got the pull-out trash can, even a hidden microwave. You've got a huge primary bedroom with a ton of light and high ceilings. Your primary bath is completely updated with a huge soaking tub, walk-in shower, dual sinks, and a walk-in closet. Your 3 secondary bedrooms are generously sized, and then you've got a 2-car garage with a swing driveway giving you extra room for parking. Take advantage of the convenient location near 249, 290, and 99. You're near retail, shopping, restaurants, and so much more. For questions on this home or to schedule a tour, give the Bridget Moore Group a call today.